As I settle into the comfort of my seat, the journey unfolds before me like the pages of the novel. The road stretches out and we move towards mountains. A soft sound catches my attention, drawing my gaze toward the side. A small but remarkably pretty waterfall emerges. After covering 130 kilometers from Pune, we start our trek towards the waterfall. Two adorable dogs appear, their tail waggling with joy. With our each step, they follow us towards the waterfall. After an hour of trekking, we finally see the waterfall from the distance. As we arrive, the air changes with the excitement at looking at an amazing waterfall. As I stand there embracing the beauty of the waterfall, I realize that this journey wasn't just about reaching the destination. It was about the unexpected joy that adorns the path.